Welcome, I'm Roman Julian Rand, and I'm explaining to you why you have the right to property. You exist. If you exist, you can choose to create something. If you choose to create something, that object of creation belongs to you. This means the moment we have the capacity to create, we have also the capacity to own, which is the right to property. Let's make an example. You go to work to get money. Does that money belong to you? Yes. Does our right cease to exist if we cease to exist? Yes, it does. This means the moment you cease to exist, you cease to own that object also ceases to exist.